Aloha friends and happy holidays. It's been a little while since I've put out a vlog episode, but I thought it'd be cool since it's the holidays that I offer my top 5 picks for the coolest gifts for guitarists and ukulele players under 50 bucks. Who wouldn't want a list like that? No particular order, these are just my favorites, and I actually own all of these products, so I know from first-hand experience that these are some really cool gifts for the ukulele player or the guitarist in your life. So the first one is the G7 Performance 2 Capo. These things are awesome. I use these every week at my gigs, and Ben, I'm recording. Come on, go no. You're able to set it, forget it, tune it up, and you can actually tune through the Capo. I've been using G7 for, I want to say, 10 years now, and very happy with the product. It has a really cool clutch release system, so you can set it and release it with one hand like this, like that, and then give it a push there to release. And then you push it together and then it locks. Really cool. The guitarist in your life is gonna love you for this. You know, since I play open tuning, it's probably my most important piece of gear that I use. Great gift for under 50 bucks. 29 bucks, can't go wrong. Second on the list is the TC Electronics. This is the most expensive thing on the list. This comes in at around $49.99. The best clip-on tuner that you can get. The thing that makes it so cool, and this doesn't have a battery in it right now, so unfortunately I can't show you the what the display looks like. You can strum a chord, and it'll tell you just by a glance what strings are in tune and what strings are out of tune. So it's a really cool design. I like to actually tune note by note, so you have that option too if you want to use that. But I've had this for about a year and a half, 2 years, and I wish I could show you the display because the display is very bright, you know, especially in a dimly lit venue, and you're looking at your headstock, and you want to know if you're in tune or not. This will be able to help you out in a pinch. Probably my second favorite overall tuner. The first going to the Boss that I reviewed a couple months ago, but hands down my favorite clip-on tuner and my second favorite tuner overall. But cool buy under 50 bucks, 49 bucks on Amazon in the link below. The third gift, cool beverage holder. And this one in particular is the K&M Drink Holder. It comes in at around $14.99. Clips onto your mic stand right here. You just kind of tighten it like that. Clips on right there. Very solid construction. I've had this baby for like 10 years now, I think, and it looks like it's brand new. Put my beers right in there. It's only falling maybe once, and that's because I knocked my mic stand, but this guy's an indispensable tool for any gigging musician, especially for those long 2+ hour gigs. These come in handy. And fourth on the list, once again, no particular order. This is more for ukulele players. Just because of the design, it doesn't really fit an acoustic guitar. But every ukulele player needs an ukulele stand, and this is one of the best designs that I've seen. It's very lightweight. This is the Kala Standout uke stand. Comes in at $25. I'll put the Amazon link below. It's made of wood, and here's the coolest part. Check it out. So the ukulele goes in here, right? This is it all put together. And what you want to do is, if at the end of the gig, you're leaving, slides apart, pop it together, and fits right into your gig bag. Look at how compact that is. Right into your gig bag. Bam, like that. But one of my favorites. I love this design. Very easy to put together. Like that. Has this little padding right here all up and down, so it's not going to mar your ukulele finish. Ukulele goes right in there, and then the back of it goes right in here, so it's not gonna scratch it up. I've had this for maybe like 5 years, and it's I leave this actually set up, and I just keep my ukulele in there. I rarely take it apart like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw one more thing. Every musician, I don't care who it is, every guitarist, every ukulele is always gonna need strings. And I got some right here. It's probably best to find out what type of strings that musician prefers, but these are some of my favorites right here. I'm gonna give my friends at Ukulele Creations a shout out. These are the PhDs, I use the low G's, but these are by far the best ukulele strings you can get. Get out of here. The best ukulele strings you can get. The best ukulele strings you can get. My friends over at Ukulele Creations, go ahead and check them out. And that's pretty much it. Next month, we're going to be headed to the 2017 NAMM convention. And it's going to be great. I'm going to have artist interviews, product showcases. It's going to be awesome. Please be sure to check in. See you guys next time. Ahui ho. Aloha.